See, was care remember when we listened to the Hebridean lilt, with wee Rob singing about walking on the waves, Ross on bass, Sal drumming full tilt, and Angus and the last day stirring up a rave. Then one day the tide came in for us Skipinnish fans, a sad day for us to see them go. We Rob and Ross off to their new band. There was no hope until along came Tago. I'll miss the old Skipinnish, we'll miss the old Skipinnish. Norrie Tago singing alive the sound of old Skipinnish. Skipinnish grew from strength to strength. Mander's loss was Scotland's gain. From the land below the waves, Norrie from Lewis increased the band's fame. Gigs at the Hydro sold out in minutes, the greatest Scottish trad band of forever. But now Norrie has the Sacco crack. Fans of the island, their likes again, we'll see never. I'll miss the old Skipinnish, we'll miss the old Skipinnish. Norrie Tago singing alive the sound of old Skipinnish. I'll miss the old Skipinnish, we'll miss the old Skipinnish. Norrie Tago singing alive the sound of old Skipinnish.